Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system prerequisites, Windows 10 or 11 fully updated and any pending restart completed. Sign in with an administrator account because permissions block changes otherwise. Next, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Security. This is where real-time toggles live. Once done, temporarily disable any third-party antivirus because it often takes exclusive control. Then return to Windows Security and try turning real-time protection on. Make sure to note error messages if the toggle won't move. Now you tackle configuration issues that block real-time protection. Run the built-in Windows Security Troubleshooter or the Microsoft Defender Troubleshooter because automated repairs often fix underlying services. Then check Group Policy, Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Defender Antivirus, set any Disable Real-Time Monitoring policy to Not Configured. If policies look clear, inspect the registry. Locate the Windows Defender path and ensure Disable Real-Time Monitoring equals 0. Edit with care. Once these changes apply, reboot, and reattempt enabling real-time protection. Finish by verifying services and repairing system files. Open Services and confirm Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service and Security Center are running and set to automatic. Then run SFC and DISM to repair system integrity, because corrupted files can prevent toggles from working. Update Defender definitions from Windows Update and try enabling real-time protection again. If it remains blocked, remove any leftover third-party antivirus using the vendor's removal tool and reboot. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, capture exact error text and check Event Viewer under Applications and Services for Defender logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.